Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, Yawa has burst on the Nigerian scene, as they say, as the IPOB movement flushed from the successes that they got of the incident in Germany have now gone global. So with that, I bring you this. IPOB issues direct order to members to hold Buhari in Japan. So that's the headline. IPOB issues direct order to IPOB members to hold, and that hold you can replace it with any other word of your choosing. I'm just being careful with the wordings of this narrative. So IPOB members issues direct orders to members to hold Buhari in Japan. So now let's get into exactly what's being said by Nnamdi Kanu and his posse. Shortly after the announcement of a trip to Japan, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB have charged its members in Japan to hold President Muhammadu Buhari when he arrives in the country. The president will be leaving Abuja on Sunday for Japan to participate in the 7th Tokyo International Conference on African Development, holding in the city of Yokohama, August 28th to 30th. A statement signed by IPOB spokesperson Emma Powerful asked members of the proscriber group to hold Buhari and hand him over to security operatives because he's an imposter. IPOB maintained an earlier claim that Buhari is actually Jubril El Sudan masquerading as the Nigerian president. The statement reads, "The formidable IPOB family in Japan is hereby placed on direct order to ensure that the imposter Jubril El Sudani, masquerading as the late dictator Muhammadu Buhari, is arrested and handed over to the authorities when he sets foot on Japanese soil. He is not only a fake president, he is wanted for mass murder and crimes against humanity for his role in previous and ongoing genocide in Biafra land. Under Japanese law, an imposter is a common criminal and subject to citizens' arrest. International diplomatic protocol as it relates to visiting heads of state is not applicable in this instance because whoever Abba Kwari is sending to Japan is not the real Buhari. We must make sure that he is apprehended and handed over to the police in Japan." Sorry for the laughter in my voice, but it is quite laughable. Any legal fallout emanating from any confrontation will end up in a Japanese court where we will be able to establish before the world that Jubril is indeed a fake Buhari. So now this is the directive that Nnamdi Kanu has given to his clansmen to detain Buhari and hand him over to the authorities in Japan, because apparently Malam Buhari is actually Jubril al-Sudani, according to Nnamdi Kanu and his band of merry men. So this is now the narrative that they are going with. So now this is celebrating really off the back of that Ikweremadu success that they had rather, and which we all cheered, you know. So now they are now going now global. They are now emboldened by that, and they are now going to the very top to say, look, if this guy sets foot in Japan, you just launch at him, wrestle him to the ground and detain him, and then hand him over to the authorities in Japan because he is in fact an imposter. So now this narrative is quite interesting. Some will say it is comical. I'm not making any comments. I'm just presenting it as it is. So this is what the IPOB posse are saying now with regards to Buhari's visit to Japan, that their members there should apprehend him and hand him over to the authorities in Japan because he is in fact an imposter, indeed Jubril al-Sudani. I did not even know the al-Sudani bit, so that's a new information to me. So they've even given him a surname now, Jubril al-Sudani, apparently. So conversations in the comment section around this is what I am inviting. IPOB going global is the topic of discussion. Come share your thoughts with me in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you you every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you are making of what Nnamdi Kanu and his crew are doing on the global stage now. We should put it in the proper context. So come tell me what you're making of their goings on the global stage in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.